just got exploring our Q suite. A pretty decent sized pillow. Nice blanket. It's pretty soft as well. A whole bunch of controls. This one I think is for moving the seat back and forth. This is for putting the back rest up and down. This is a massager actually. If you want to make a bed, you just push this one button and your seat becomes flat. Various control, this is you just like push one button and you are on your flight takeoff and landing mode. This one is for the meal services, it looks like. Then they have a button over here for do not disturb, which means like if you have that on, then your flight attendants know that they won't wake you up. This is for your cabin light, I'm assuming. Maybe the call button. But then they have this over here. You open this up. You have your headsets in here. Sorry.
Sprite for you, right?
No, not Sprite.
I'll check because I got confused myself.
Okay. So you have your headsets over here. A still water bottle and just regular storage for storing your stuff. Then everything else is open, just for storing your regular stuff. Pretty neat, guys. Close it. Then you have your light button up here. It kind of turns the light on. And then there is a touchscreen remote that actually controls the TV. You can scroll through the menu on here as well. There are multiple options for entertainment. We have a kids section, so if you're fine with kids, they have separated their section out. They have movies, TV, audio, games.
Are you guys together? Yeah.
All the kid movies are in their own section, so if you are fine with kids, they'll have a good time on board Qatar. Now that we're up in the air, I've stretched a little bit. I have the blanket out. My feet are all stretched out, just waiting for the meal service to begin. I ordered a after takeoff drink, so she is probably going to bring that first, along with some hot nuts. And I ordered the classic Arabic mese as the appetizer, and the jumbo prawn as the main course. The soup actually sounded pretty good as well, but I wasn't really that hungry. They started getting ready for the dinner service. They pull this table out, make a table for you. Just had her put some rice in my cup and ordered another drink. Still got about good 2.5 hours to go. The main courses came. I ordered the jumbo prawn. Looks like it's a book right here. There's prawns, shrimp, and I'm not even sure what this is. That's good. So we have entered Pakistan airspace. I've been having a good time in Qatar business class. I tried to go to sleep, but I really couldn't. I think we're over Balochistan somewhere at this point. If you kind of look at it, Shadkot is right in front of us. Karachi is probably on our right side, headed towards Lahore. The way that I've typically seen these flights, because I've flown this route a lot, they go all the way towards Bahawalpur, and from Bahawalpur they take a turn towards north and start descending right about Multan. To Multan, if you drive from Lahore to Multan, that's about a 3 hour, 3.5 hour drive. But the plane starts descending and they start lining up for Lahore. If you look at it, we have Koida, that is right on our left side. Actually, I think it is showing our left window, and this is like the front view where we have Raimier Hunt. Thank you. So the flight attendant just came and she left a box of chocolates. Flight attendant just came, she just left a box of chocolates. It used to be Godiva before, but now it is this leather rack. I've had these before. They're actually very good chocolates, like very comparable to Godiva. Like I was saying, we are in Pakistan airspace. Shad Goat right in front of us, Rahimi Khan right in front of us. You can kind of see Lahore. So it is, like I told you before, it is headed towards Bahawalpur. And from Bahawalpur, we're going to take a turn towards the left and start descending as soon as we hit Multan. And it's about a half an hour from Multan to Lahore. So let's open up this box of chocolates and see what's in it. As we are getting ready to land, the flight attendant just came. She left in the hot towel. That's the one I was talking about before. This is the actual hot towel. Only trying to figure out time of arrival 042, time of leave flight 149, so only 47 minutes left before we land. And we're pretty much right at Bahawalpur. We're probably in Sindh province of Punjab already, and we're going to turn and make a left over here pretty soon and start descending in about 20-25 minutes. Hey guys, so we're descending into Lahore right now. Like I told you, Bahawalpur is about on our right, and Multan is pretty much coming up. So about 20-25 minutes before we land in Lahore. Just wanted to give you like a quick snapshot of how the flight was. When I started from Chicago in economy class, landed in Doha, upgraded to business class at Doha Airport. So as usual, like economy or business, like this Qatar Airways is phenomenal. Never had a bad flight with those guys. Their crew is great, especially in business class. Then their planes are great. The food is good, especially the food in business class and in their business lounges. So you really cannot go wrong with flying Qatar. So I usually, like when I'm flying business class, I'm the first one to get off a plane. So I might actually, if I get a chance, I will make a video of that as well. Because like in Pakistan, at the airport authorities, they do not allow you to make videos. I'm not sure why, but the last time I tried making a video, I got stopped by the airport authorities that I'm not supposed to be doing that.
Lahore, the local time here is 12:40 in the morning. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has completely stopped and the seatbelt sign is switched off. Please take care when opening overhead storage compartments. Ensure that you have all your personal belongings and travel documents with you as you disembark the aircraft. Remember that smoking is not permitted until you are within a designated smoking area. Thank you for choosing to fly with Qatar Airways and the One World Alliance. It has been our pleasure taking care of you today. Qatar Airways, you are aligned for the journey for FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022.